Instead of clunky CO2 lasers that limit portability, M1 uses a revolutionary semiconductor dual-beam laser head that compresses the laser facula and provides double the power. Achieving cutting up to 8 mm basewood in a single pass. And ultra-high accuracy engraving. With rotary attachment, M1 can also carve on cups. M1 has a built-in 16 megapixel ultra-wide-angle high-resolution camera that lets you bring sketches to life just with your pen. With image extraction, you can easily collect all your memories. M1 can automatically recognize the official materials, autofocus and measure the thickness of all materials. AI batch processing empowers you to create multiple works in one shot. And Smart Camera can recognize and automatically cut the pattern. Making ideas come true has never been this easy. xTool M1 brings more joy to your life. Capture your precious moments. Surprise your loved ones. Save money or even make some. Stay safe and smile to the world.